All right, what's up, everybody? So, made it to Georgia here. If you guys didn't guess already, but just making small vlogs. Not gonna be making too much videos, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoy just some scenes in Georgia, Atlanta. Yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoy the video. I'll take you guys around the city. Hopefully, you guys saw the museums. Name them so you guys can know which ones they are. But yeah, guys, I'll see you then. All right, guys, this is the tasting section where you can taste all different types of sodas, and I'm gonna show you which ones were the best ones in my opinion, and the worst ones. All right, what's up, everybody? So I want to say thank you for watching the video. I know the video wasn't too long, but I didn't record too much in Atlanta just because I was more enjoying my time there and catching up with family friends I haven't met. Not that I haven't met, but I haven't seen in years. So, but thanks again, guys, for watching the video. I hope you guys are enjoying the content. I'm going to keep uploading more. Hopefully, there'll be another video coming this week as well, not just one. If you guys enjoyed, leave a comment, like, subscribe. I appreciate everybody that is liking and subscribing and commenting my videos. It really helps. So thank you guys. Share this video. I don't know if you found something interesting. Let me know. Thank you guys again. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.